Let her rip.
Look at my dad's plane. It's beat up, but he still flies it.
What's up with that?
I don't know.
And looking at it, you can tell that it's the original plane. Anyway, we'll see if it still works.
Whoa!
There's something wrong. I think my new AFC is good.
Wheel fell off.
Go get that wheel, Liz.
Whoa!
Here's a look at the plane without the wheel. Oh, dang it. I didn't want to throttle it coming at us like that.
What did you think of that crash landing?
It's pretty funny.
Yeah, you like that one, Liz. And that's with the throttle off.
Yes, that's right, it's raining, but this plane is carrying the mail. We just hope the wings won't ice up.
That's true. That's all right. Irritating. Had to do it right on video.